Welcome to this tutorial. Rotating piping elements while maintaining alignment in a Revit model can be challenging. However, with BIMLOGIQ Copilot, this task is simple and efficient. To begin, select the pipe fitting you want to rotate. This will be the primary element that undergoes rotation. Next, choose a reference pipe. This pipe acts as the anchor around which the selected fitting will rotate. Now, define the rotation angle. Enter the desired value in degrees to control the precise movement of the fitting. Choose the rotation direction, clockwise or counterclockwise, to align the fitting as needed. Enable this option to allow connected elements to rotate along with the fitting. Once everything is set, click Execute to apply the rotation. It's just that simple. And let's try another one. As we learned, we need to select the pipe fitting and then the reference pipe. Next, let's enter a rotation angle and execute the command. And that's how you can easily rotate piping elements with BIMLOGIQ Copilot. With BIMLOGIQ Copilot, adjusting piping components becomes effortless. Thank you for watching and happy designing.